Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of our Python programming series. I'm excited to kick things off today, and I want to let you know that this is just the beginning. In the upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into Python, exploring various topics and building on what we learned today. So, if you're eager to continue your Python journey with us, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content. Before we dive into this amazing journey, I want to take a moment to congratulate you. Making the decision to learn a new skill is a significant step, and you have already taken that first brave leap. Now, let's talk about Python. Python isn't named after the snake. It's named after the British comedy show Monty Python. It's a high-level and incredibly versatile programming language. What makes Python truly special is its simplicity. Unlike the snake, Python is friendly, easy to understand, and extremely powerful. Fun fact: did you know that giants like Google, NASA, and Netflix use Python for a wide range of applications? That's just how powerful and popular this language is. So, why you should learn Python? First, Python is easy to read and write. It feels almost like reading English. No complex jargon or syntax, just clean and straightforward code. Second, Python is incredibly versatile. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or simple automations, Python has you covered. And third, Python has a massive global community that's always ready to help you out if you ever get stuck. So, you're never alone on your Python journey. Now, let's get you started with Python by setting up your development environment. I have already downloaded and installed Python on my operation system, and I encourage you to do the same. It's quick and straightforward. Just head over to Python's official website and download the version that's suitable for your operation system. Once you've installed Python, open your terminal or prompt. Then type python space dash dash version. This should display the version you've just installed. In here, in my case, is Python version 3.12.0. Now it's time for your first Python code. In the same terminal or command prompt, type Python to enter the Python shell. Now write print parenthesis double quote hello comma word exclamation marks, and then close the double quote and close the parenthesis and press enter. Voila! You've just written your first Python code. And here where I want you to get involved. Use the Python shell, just like we did, to print your name. For example, if your name is Alex, you should write print, open the parenthesis, double quote, my hello, comma, Alex, double quote, and then close the parenthesis and press enter. Here you go. And why not sharing a fun fact about yourself? Something like, I love pineapple on pizza. Well, only if you really do. But wait, there is more. This video is just the beginning of an exciting series of Python programming. In the upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into Python, exploring various topics and building on what we learned today. So, if you're eager to continue your Python journey with us, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content. Remember to stay curious, keep experimenting, and know that every coder was once where you are right now. It's just the journey that shapes us, and you have embarked on an incredible one. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to Python. Stay tuned for more amazing Python content in the future. Keep coding and have a fantastic day. See you in the next video.